Hi everybody. Today we are going to start our new science topic. So in science, we are going to be learning about matter. Today I'm going to read you a book about matter, and once you watch the video, I want you to click here to read the same book about matter again by yourself. Then you're going to complete slide 3 once you finish listening to my video and reading the matter book by yourself. Let's read the matter book. This is matter. Matter is what all things are made of. Everything in the world is made of matter. Matter is everywhere. This book is made of matter. The water you drink is made of matter. Even the air you breathe is made of matter. The caption down here says, "Everything in this picture is made of matter." Matter has 3 forms. The 3 forms of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. Matter can be a solid, like a chair in the classroom. Matter can be a liquid, like the water in a lake. Matter can be a gas, like the air inside a balloon. Let's stop and summarize before we move on. What are the 3 forms of matter? You can pause the video to name them now. If you need help, read the first paragraph on this page again. The bottle is a solid. It contains a liquid and a gas. Matter is something with weight that takes up space. Everything around you is made of matter. Even you are matter. Solids are one kind of matter. Solids keep their shape and take up space. Many things are solid. Glass is a solid that you can see through. Solids can be many sizes and shapes. Solid candies can be different colors, sizes, and shapes. Solids can be hard or soft. Liquids turn into solids when they get cold. This is called freezing. Water freezes when it gets cold. Solids turn to liquids when they get hot. This is called melting. Ice cream melts when it gets hot. Ice melts when the temperature is higher than 32 degrees Fahrenheit, or 0 degrees Celsius. Liquids are another kind of matter. Liquids have no shape. Liquids take up space. Many things are liquids. The largest amount of liquid in one place is the Pacific Ocean. Liquids can be poured into a container. Liquids take the shape of their container. Liquids can change shape without using more space. Many foods are liquids. Molasses is one of the thickest foods that are liquids. Liquids turn to gases when they get hot. This is called boiling. Water turns to steam when it boils. Liquids turn to solids when they get cold. This is called freezing. Water turns to ice or snow when it gets cold. Gases are the last kind of matter. Gases have no size or shape. The air you breathe is a kind of gas. Gases fill their containers. They can spread to fill big spaces. Gases can also pack into small spaces. Some gases have color. Other gases cannot be seen. Balloons and bubbles are filled with gas. Helium is a special gas. It makes balloons float up and fly away. Wind is moving air. Air is made of gas. Moving air can be felt. Wind helps sailboats move across the water. Water is a special kind of matter. It can be a gas, solid, or liquid. Many things are made of water. Liquids turn to gases when they get hot. Water turns to steam when it boils. Steam is a kind of gas. Geysers at Yellowstone National Park spray steam high into the air. Gases turn to liquids when they get cold. This is called condensation. Condensation forms on the outside of cold containers. The fog that forms on your glasses is a kind of condensation. And that's the end of the Matter book. Make sure you click here in the assignment to read it again by yourself. Let's take a look at how to complete slide 3. Slide 3 has some different objects down here. Your job is to drag these colored circles to the correct objects. So you're going to drag a green circle to all the objects that show gas. Drag a yellow circle to all of the solids. And drag a red circle to all of the liquids. So for example here, I see books. I know that books are a solid, so I'm going to drag a yellow circle on top of my books. Keep going to finish slide 3. And don't forget to turn in the assignment on Google Classroom when you finish.